Hello all, greetings, this is Gilles Mancillon. I wanted to come and say hello, to offer some guidance, to pull out a few cards to see if we can receive guidance for the day. I'm going to pull out 10 cards from the Archangel Tarot for angels. Angels are divine beings of light. Angels and archangels, they do not have form or of matter. They're not material beings. They do not, but yet they have often been represented with wings, but like big human beings with big wings. And that is because essentially from a tradition, it was said that some humans have been witnessing some transport angels. When souls are being transported, they are transporter angels that have those huge energy that envelop the soul before the transport. And some humans have seen that, and they have thought in their relative world that angels could be like flying birds or something, but in many sense they are not like that. Yet when you see a feather, that it is a sign that angels are near, because it is. If you see a white feather, it may be a sign that Mat is here, the goddess Mat. So it's very important to pay attention to the sign. The situation for us is the decision. It is the Archangel Jophiel. It is about freeing the birds, being free from the cage, freeing ourselves from the cage. It is essential. It says, free yourself from anything that prevents you from moving forwards. Need to purify. Unjustified worries induced by the lack of belief in yourself. So it is important to do whatever you can to purify yourself, so there is a much more greater deal of self-confidence that comes as a result. Personally, I'm doing a physical cleansing. It is delicate. I'm fasting as well, but I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, like boom, I'm impossible to go back to sleep, so I worked 5 hours in my book. And so it was because when we eliminate all kinds of toxins, we have a lot more energy, so we have to regulate our sleep patterns. It is something that but it is important to go through that. And the situation that go around the situation is the Two of Gabriel. It says be fearless and make ambitious choice. Progress is possible. Favor relationship with people that see things as you do. For it is very important right now to go along with those, to be able to find the people that share our thoughts, share our ideas, that we can experiment, we can co-create, we can investigate. Rather than those who are completely hermetic to those new energies, new ideas, or spiritual belief. What we see before us that will unfold is the Knight of Ariel. It says worthy of trust, understanding, devoted, funny. It says you have so much to do. Define a program that is clearly detailed. A gentle person is looking after you. So it is very much a slow but sure progress. For things have to move slowly but surely, but we have to, if possible, get constant in our progress. What we see in our subconscious that is deeply buried within our subconscious, the past, is the Lady of Gabriel. She's passionate, brilliant, charming, independent, and she says you can right now undertake anything. Go towards what you aspire. You attract the people capable of helping you. So this is already integrated. It is already in the past. We have already anchored that. We just need to stay on course. What we see right now is the Four of Raphael. It says, look for other possibility. Look into the magic side of life. Become aware of your emotion, for our emotion is the guiding system, and sometimes we overlook the magical aspect of life, the possibility that something magical, miraculous can happen, and so we let ourselves be drawn into our past. And so it is important to let go of the past, to allow ourselves to move into something new. What we see in the near future, what's right around the corner, it says it's the Ten of Gabriel. It says, ask the angels to place the people capable to help you on your way. You're working too much. You are making too much to satisfy others. So it is important to take care of yourself first, not to be too much subject to whatever others need. First, your need, your wants, your need, your well-being before anybody else's well-being. But of course, if we have children, we have to take care of them. But in general, we have to stop. I see that there is a lot on the internet. I love Instagram, but there's a lot of vanity. People are looking for attention. They are looking for validation from others that they are worthy. What you need is to open open your heart to the source, to the love that is within. And once you recognize yourself, you do not need anybody else's approbation. So it is important to realize you are worthy of all those things that you may be wanting or desiring or asking for. What we are in this situation is the Ace of Gabriel: passion, opportunity, inspiration. The occasion to do something marvelous is offering itself to you. Get enthusiastic about it and so there is all this amazing potential, this like touching on the light, there is all kinds of magical possibilities. So it is important not to let ourselves be distracted from that. What surrounds us is the Seven of Gabriel. It is time to take a decision. Identify clearly what you want and then act. Need to purify. So once again, there is a need for purification. Here there is all those potential, but in order to enjoy those things, we need to determine what we want. So it is important to be clear in relationship to what we want and ask for what we want. What we see in our inner self and hopes and fears and our inner emotion is the Archangel Raguel. And he says, fight for equality and justice. Judgment in your favor. Do not give up. Of course, you have to have faith that the universe, divine justice is kind of slow sometimes in coming, but it always does, and things are always balanced out. So it is important to stay in balance, in harmony, in peace as much as possible. And the outcome is a wonderful card. Is the Lady of Raphael, gentle, understanding, generous, intellectual. And she said, do what dictates your heart. Love of the home and the family. Worthy information that is given through the intellect. So it is very much the feminine side of emotion. It is the reflection. And she's the more we are able to be sincere in expressing our intention, the easier things will flow towards us. So it is important to be clear in our communication and to do as much as possible to express our emotion in a positive way. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I wanted to say in relation to my book, to the interdimensional travel, I just made a video to encourage you to project yourself in the interdimensional corridors, into the ships, into all kinds of dimensions for we are disability. But my book is it's an 80-page book, but 40 pages is dedicated to creating technique that will greatly assist and make it a lot stronger, because first we have to be at least 5 people to do that. 5 people with the same intention to teletransport into another dimension, we allow ourselves to leave our body behind, to move into another dimension. Then the second thing is to find a power spot, a vortex of energy. There's a natural vortex or artificial vortex. We can create a vortex like planting a crystal into the ground to canalize when we open the energy of the crystal, it canalizes the energy from the center of the earth, and then we create an energy that is made of the collective energy of the group. And then when we open the vortex, then it opens up and we teletransport ourselves. So there is all kinds of little protocol. The books will soon be ready, so I hope you will enjoy that. The painting behind me I've already shown. It is not finished, but I just wanted to show a little bit the progress I've made. It's a very complex painting about divinity and cosmology, the Paradise Center, the 7 super universe, and the other galaxies, and above there is all the 7 families of spirit beings. I also wanted to show a little painting that is finished. I wanted to show a finished painting. It's an interior. I thought it's kind of a nice painting. It's got a lot of details, and I kind of like the relationship. It looks also like there is like an eye with a smile, like the whole painting is smiling, and so yeah, I may have to restore some of them, but everything is coming together. I'm looking forward to getting everything organized as soon as I can. My studio, my book, all those new projects that will be coming to the picture. I'm gonna finish with a little song. It goes like this. Oh no, that's not, I don't have the words of it. So I'm gonna sing this one. I'm sorry, that's not really the one I wanted to sing, but it goes like this. Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we climbed hidden trees. Learn of love and ABC, skinned our heart and skinned our need. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, pretty girls are everywhere. Think of me and I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. Goodbye, Papa, please pray for me. I was the black sheep of the family. You tried to teach me right from wrong. Too much wine and too much song, wondered how I got along. Goodbye, Papa, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, little children everywhere, when you'll see them I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons, have all gone. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons, have all gone. Goodbye, Michel, my little one. You gave me love and helped me find the sun. And every time that I was down, you would always come around and get my feet back on the ground. Goodbye, Michel, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, with the flowers everywhere, I wish that we could both be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons, have all gone. Well, thank you very much. I wanted to sing a more happy song, but for some reason this song came into my... was the one that came out. And so it is a French song by Jacques Brel about this moribund, the person who's gonna die and is looking back at life. And so life is such a wonderful thing. Let us enjoy this life each and every day. I wish you a wonderful day and I thank you very much. Namaste.